This is Panasonic vacuum cleaner MC-CL575. If you are looking for a long-lasting suction power vacuum cleaner, so Panasonic Mega Cyclonic bagless vacuum cleaner is the best choice. Thanks to as easy to detach the dust compartment, and you can conveniently empty it with your hands dust-free. This 2000 watts vacuum cleaner comes with a double HEPA system consisting of main filter and exhaust filter. Also removes fine particle dust to give out clean exhaust air. The ergonomic curved wand designed with a dusting brush and crevice nozzle provides smoother maneuverability, extended with a high quality chrome wand for easy reach.
Panasonic.